Good day! Welcome to GPT Connect AI. Today we are excited to introduce a powerful new feature, QR code generator. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use QR code generation for advertising and promoting your brand in a tech-savvy way. Users can simply scan your generated QR code and redirect them to your ads, website, or even open up a leads-oriented chatbot conversation. Want to advertise on social media, billboards, flyers, etc. using QR codes? Follow me as I show you how Magic Link and QR code generator works. We start by creating a flow. For this example, we create a flow that will generate leads while enrolling the user to a special subscription of your brand. We start with a welcome message. We thank the user for scanning the QR code and informing them of the free content they have acquired. Next, for the leads part, we would like to ask for the user's email address and phone number for stored contact information. We make use of the Ask User data action for this part. Also, we should disable the skip button to encourage the user to submit their contact information with us. We are to generate leads for future use. We might as well as store these data collected by using another great feature in our platform, the Google Sheet integration. Apart from this, there are other automation systems that are affiliated with our platform that you can work around with. This includes famous systems like Zapier, Make, and Pabbly. To know more about these integrations, videos are uploaded inside our YouTube channel. Going back to the video, we create a new Google Sheet and label the columns in which user data will be saved. We then sync the Google Sheet to the platform by sharing the access link. Go to Google Sheet integration and click Manage. Here, you will add a new entry and paste the access link to the Google Sheet. We go back to the flow and add the action Google Sheets. Set up the action to send data and select the spreadsheet we've just synced. Match the user data custom field to the Google Sheet column label. Next, we add another action block, Add Tags. Adding tags to a user helps us enable to make use of another great feature, Broadcast Message. To know more about the broadcast feature, a link to a separate video is included on the description box below. Finally, to wrap the flow, we add another action button, Notify Admins. This action feature helps business owners keep their admins on top of any notification arising from the flow we've created. We then publish the flow to save the changes we've made. Then, we go back to the Flow Builder page and get the link to the flow. Since we are using the Facebook channel, we select Messenger. Here comes the exciting part. We then go to Tools, then select Magic Links. Create a new Magic Link and use the link we got from the flow earlier on the space provided. Now, click on the three dots next to Magic Link you've created. Select Get QR Code. This will generate a QR code that will embed the link you've provided on your Magic Link. The output of this QR code is dependent on the URL you've set inside your Magic Link. Quick fact, changing URLs on your Magic Link will not change the image of the QR code you've generated. Let's make a quick Facebook post. I go to OpenAI and ask for a short post description about my promotion. I take the generated text and add a post on my social media account. Next, I use an image generator platform and choose a template relevant to my business. Edit the details and finally, add the generated QR code from our magic link. Now that I have my text and image, I post it on my social media account. As soon as a user scans the QR code, it will redirect them to the GPT Connect chatbot and executes the flow we set for it to follow. You can also print out this image in flyers and hard copies for an offline ads version. And as you can see, once the conversation is concluded, we go to our inbox and select the conversation. User data are saved to the contact and a user tag as well as applied. Likewise, data inside our synced Google Sheet will also update it for every user that input their contact information during the chatbot conversation. We've just showed you how to generate a QR code using magic links inside GPT Connect. QR code generation feature opens a whole lot of possibilities to increase reach and leads of any business. Got questions and need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. Help support channels are provided on the description box below. Thank you for choosing GPT Connect. We're here to help.